We are believers in radical self-reliance, but that we are stronger together than we are alone. We are the builders, inventors, and do-it-yourselfers that have faith in the ingenuity of technology to create a sustainable lifestyle. We are the thousands of homeowners and businesses that have discovered a less expensive way to light the room, run the AC, and fill up the car. We know that one size doesn't fit all, and that the best solution for you is one that's tailored to fit your energy needs. And that's what we're here for, to put the power back in your hands and help you go solar without breaking the bank. Whether you're shopping for parts, installing a renewable system yourself, or hiring our installers to do the work, we're here for you every step of the way. We are your solar veterans, trusted since 2006, and we won't rest until your utility meter is spinning backward. We are Go Green Solar, and we're ready to help.